Differentiation techniques. Here we have some standard results that was obtained using first principle. First principle we have learnt it in the previous class. So we are going to learn these standard results now. First and very important one, d by dx of x bar n is equal to n into x bar n minus 1. So, anything with the power n, if we find the derivative of the function with power n, then we can write it as n x bar n minus 1. Similarly, d by dx of x is equal to 1. Okay, here what is the power of x? It is 1, right? So, while deriving, if we use the first equation, if we use the first result here, then it implies d by dx of x. That is, the power is 1. So, 1 into x power 1 minus 1. Isn't it? Here n is equal to 1. Here there is no power. So, it is 1. So, if we use the first result in this, then it is 1 into x power 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So, it is 1 into x bar 0. X bar 0 is 1. Though, so, that is equal to 1. So, d by dx of x is equal to 1. Hope you can understand. So, d by dx of k is equal to 0. Differentiation of a constant gives 0. D by dx of kx, that is equal to k. We know if we differentiate x, we will get 1, isn't it, from the second result in the same page. So, d by dx of kx is equal to k. D by dx of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. You will learn the differentiation, the derivative explanation in the higher classes. You will learn this explanations and all in detail in the higher classes. Okay. So, d by dx of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. D by dx of root x is equal to 1 divided by 2 root x. D by dx of e power x is same. It is e power x. For e power ax, it is a into e power ax. You have to multiply it with a constant a. E power ax plus b, that is also here the coefficient of x is a. So, a into e power ax plus b, the same expression. Exponents வந்து e வச்சு differentiate பண்ணும்போது you will get the same. E power minus x square. So, x square, what is the derivative of x square is 2x. N into x power n minus 1. If you use the first result, you will get the derivative, the differentiation of x square is 2x. But here minus is there. So, it is minus 2x e power minus x square. Differentiation of a power x. A power x is a power x log a to the base e, and a is greater than 0. Differentiation of log x. Log x is equal to 1 by x. These are all very important results that we use very frequently while solving the problems. D by dx of log x plus a. So, log x is 1 by x. Similarly, log x plus a is 1 by x plus a. Log ax plus b. Here, a constant is multiplied with the coefficient. So, a divided by ax plus b. D by dx of log x to the base a. That is 1 divided by x log a to the base e. Similarly, the trigonometric, for the trigonometric ratio, d by dx of sin x. Sin x order differentiation cos x. But cos x order differentiation minus sin x. Sin order the cos, but cos order the minus sin x. Differentiation of tan x is secant square x. Differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square x. Differentiation of secant x is secant x tan x. Differentiation of cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x. General rules for differentiation. Addition rule. If there is a sum between two functions, then we can differentiate the function separately and then we can add. Similarly, if there is a subtraction of functions or difference, then we can differentiate the function separately and then we can subtract. Similarly, the product rule. So, it is very important, d by dx of f of x into g of x, that is equal to d by dx of f of x into g of x plus f of x into d by dx of g of x. Here f of x is getting differentiated, g of x remains the same, plus here f of x remains the same and g of x is getting differentiated. Okay. So, while it is the product between two functions, then we should use this rule, that is u is a function, that is f of x, v is another function, that is g of x, then d by dx of uv is equal to u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. Yeah. In one time we will differentiate v and another time we will differentiate u, and simply we can write it as u v dash plus v u dash. This will be easy for you to remember. Okay. So, u into v dash means we are differentiating v, u dash means we are differentiating u. So, d by dx of du uv is equal to u v dash plus v u dash. Next, quotient rule. Quotient rule, you have to remember this formula also. So, d by dx of f of x divided by g of x, while there is a division between two functions, then that is equal to g of x the whole square in the denominator. If g of x is here, here its square should be there in the denominator, and in the numerator similarly g of x into f of x, differentiation of f of x, minus f of x into differentiation of g of x. Similarly, and g of x should not be equal to 0. If u is equal to f of x and v is equal to g of x, then d by dx of uv is equal to v into du by dx, differentiation of u, minus u into differentiation of v divided by v square. Easily we can write this as v u dash minus u v dash divided by v square. Here v is in the denominator, so v square here. So, this will help you to remember it easily. V u dash minus u v dash divided by v square. It is also very important formula. Scalar product. Scalar product. If you multiply a function by scalar, then you can take it common out. Okay, see, you can take it commonly outside because it is a constant, not a variable. If it is a constant, you can take it outside. So, d by dx of c into f of x is equal to c into d by dx of f of x. Okay, f of x, it is a function of x, but c is a constant. So, you can take it outside. You couldn't differentiate a constant, differentiate it. Chain rule. D by dx of f of g of x, that is equal to f dash into g dash of g of x into g dash of x. If there is a function inside function, then you have to differentiate it f dash of g of x into g dash of x. You can assign, you can take it as another variable, y is equal to f of t and t is equal to g of x. Then dy by dx. Okay. So, g of x is the function of t. So, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. Here dt. We can introducing another function t, so that it will be easy for us to differentiate when there is a function inside another function. These are the important rules, general rules. Differentiate the following with respect to x. It is a given function. I take the given function as y. 3x power 4, 2x cube plus x plus 8. We have to differentiate, that is dy by dx, that is d by dx of y. 3x power 4 minus 2x cube plus x plus 8. We can use the addition rule here, that is d by dx of 3x power 4 minus d by dx of 2x cube plus d by dx of x plus d by dx of 8, the constant. Okay. So, we can take the constant outside 3. While writing the first step itself, you can take the constant outside. Here I have taken the minus symbol, but you can take minus 2 as well. So, 3 into d by dx of x power 4 minus 2 d by dx of x cube plus dx by dx plus d by dx of 8. Which identity here we are going to use? And it is d by dx of x power n is equal to n x power n minus 1. D by dx of x power n is equal to n x power n minus 1. So, here the power, that is equal to 3 into x power 4. So, while differentiating that x power 4, I get 4 into x power 4 minus 1. So, minus 2 into 3x cube. So, 3x power 3 minus 1 plus, while differentiating x, you get 1. While differentiating x, you get 1 plus, while differentiating a constant value, you get 0. So, 3 into 4, 3 into 4 is 12. 12x cube minus 6, 3 2s are 6, 6x square plus 1 is the differentiation of that one. Second one, 5 by x power 4 minus 2 by x square plus 5 by x. Let's take the function as y. Now we have to differentiate it with respect to x. So, dy by dx, that is d by dx of 5 by x power 4 minus 2 by x square plus 5 by x. Now, I take all the constants outside. So, 5 d by dx of 1 by x power 4 minus 2 d by dx of 1 by x square plus 5 into d by dx of 1 by x. So, 5 into d by dx of, here we have the power in the denominator. So, I write 1 by x power 4 as x power minus 4 minus 2 into d by dx of x power minus 2 plus 5 into d by dx of 1 by x. For this we have a formula, isn't it? So, you can write it as x power minus 1 or else you can use the formula. So, d by dx of 1 by x. So, 5 into, what is the differentiation of this? Minus 4 into x power minus 4 minus 1, n x power n minus 1, isn't it? Minus 2 into, its differentiation is minus 2 x power minus 2 minus 1, power la 1 subtract pannanum, plus 5 into, what is the differentiation of 1 by x? That is minus 1 by x square. So, you can write it directly. 5 4s are 20, minus 20 x power minus 5, minus 2 into minus 2, that is plus 4 x power minus 3 minus 5 by x square. I can write it as minus 20 by x power 5 plus 4 by x cube minus 5 by x square. This is the differentiation. Differentiate the following. The third one, y is equal to square root of x plus 1 divided by cube root of x plus e power x. So, first we have to find dy by dx. Yes, that is what the differentiation. So, dy by dx, that is d by dx of y. So d by dx of square root of x plus d by dx of 1 by cube root of x plus d by dx of e power x. What is the differentiation of square root of x? D by dx of square root of x. What is the formula for this? So 1 divided by 2 root of x. Similarly, d by dx of e power x. E power x or differentiation e power x only. Now we have to find the center term only. Okay, so it is here it is 1 divided by 2 root of x. I write 1 divided by cube root of x as here we have differentiated. But here we need to differentiate. So I write d by dx of x power minus 1 by 3. We used to write cube root of x as x power 1 by 3. Isn't it? Square root of x na x power 1 by 2. Cube root of x na x power 1 by 3, but it's in the denominator, so while moving it into the numerator it will become x power minus 1 by 3 plus e power x. Now we can differentiate 1 by 2 root x plus minus 1 by 3 n x power n minus 1. So n x power n minus 1, that is minus 1 by 3 minus 1 plus e power x. So 1 divided by 2 root of x minus 1 by 3 x power minus 1 by 3 minus 1. So if I take 3 as LCM, it is minus 1 minus 3, that is minus 4 e power x. So 1 divided by 2 root x, here 1 divided by 3 into x power 4 by 3. Numerator minus 4 by 3. While moving it into the denominator, it will become x power 4 by 3 plus e power x. Fourth one, y is equal to 3 plus 2x minus x square. So I can write it separately. 3 by 2x plus 2x by x minus x square by x. So that is equal to 3 by x plus 2 minus x. Now we can differentiate it. dy by dx, that is d by dx of the whole expression 3 by x plus 2 minus x. So it is 3 into d by dx of 1 by x plus 2 into here. While differentiating a constant, it will become 0 minus d by dx of x. What is d by dx of 1 by x? That is minus 1 by x square, isn't it? 3 into minus 1 by x square according to the standard results plus 0, so we can ignore it. While differentiating x, you get 1. So that is equal to minus 3 by x square minus 1. That's the differentiation. If we take x square as LCM, minus 3 minus x square, that is minus 1 by x square into x square plus 3 or 3 plus x square. Fifth one, y is equal to x cube e power x. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x cube e power x. Here we have two functions, x cube or function, e power x is one function, another function. So d by dx of uv, product of functions, d by dx of uv, uv dash plus vu dash, uv dash plus vu dash. Here our u is x cube, u is x cube and v is e power x. What is our u dash? U dash is du by dx, isn't it? U dash, that is d by dx of x cube. What is the differentiation for this? 3 into x power 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 3x square. What is v dash? That is d by dx of v, that is our e power x. v is e power x. So e power x, that is equal to differentiation of e power x is again e power x. Now we have calculated u dash v dash. Now we can write it directly here. So d by dx of x cube e power x is equal to u v dash. U is x cube, v dash is e power x, plus v into u dash, or v is e power x, u dash is 3x square. So we can take e power x as common. So e power x into x cube plus 3x square, that is the differentiation. No need to do this separately. You can do it directly in the steps itself. Okay. Idle continue pannanalo pannalam. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Second one, first subdivision and the second one. E power x divided by 1 plus x. Here in the numerator, this is a function of x. Similarly, the denominator also, it is a function of x. So, it is u by v method. Here, we are going to use the quotient rule. What is our quotient rule? D by dx of u by v. Differentiating the functions of the form u by v, that is equal to, here in the denominator v square. Here we have v in the denominator, so v square. In the numerator, v into u dash minus u into v dash. Don't confuse this. V into u dash minus u into v dash. Here our u is e power x. Our v is 1 plus x. So, d by dx of e power x divided by 1 plus x is equal to, here v square, that is 1 plus x the whole square. V into u dash. V into u dash. That means v is 1 plus x. U dash. That is d by dx of e power x. Numerator. Minus u into v dash. U is e power x. V dash. That is d by dx of, what is v? 1 plus x. Okay. So, that is equal to 1 plus x the whole square. 1 plus x into differentiation of e power x is e power x. Minus e power x into differentiation of 1 plus x. First differentiation of 1. We can do it directly. So, differentiation of 1. It is a constant. So, we have 0. So, dx. Differentiation of x. That is 1. So, we can take e power x as common. E power x into 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x the whole square. So, 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. That is equal to x into e power x divided by 1 plus x the whole square. Fourth one. Sorry ma, second one, second subdivision in second one. Y is equal to x square plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus x plus 1. We have to find dy by dx, that is d by dx of the function x square plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus x plus 1. Here it is in the form u by v. In the numerator also we have a function of x, and in the denominator also we have a function of x. So, what we have to do? D by dx of u by v, that is v square v u dash minus u v dash. Confuse pannirakoodadhu. V u dash minus u v dash. That is equal to, in the denominator we have x square minus x plus 1 the whole square. In the numerator, v into u dash. So, we write v as it is and going to differentiate the numerator, x square plus x plus 1 minus. Now, we have to write u as it is and differentiate the denominator, that is v, x square minus x plus 1. Okay. So, x square minus x plus 1, I write it as it is. while while differentiating this one, x square, first x square will become 2x, isn't it? X square na n x power n minus 1. So it is 2x plus differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of 1 is 0. So we can ignore it. 2x plus 1 minus x square plus x plus 1. Now we have to differentiate this. Similarly, differentiation of x square is 2x. 2x power 2 minus 1 varum. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we can write it as 2x minus x. Differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of 1 is 0. So it is 2x minus 1. In the denominator we have x square minus x plus 1 the whole square. So we can multiply the functions. So x square into x square, 2x cube plus x square minus 2x square minus x plus 2x plus 1. Here as well minus of 2x cube minus x square plus 2x square minus x. Here plus 2x minus 1. X square minus x plus 1 the whole square. Okay. So like terms will get cancelled. 2x cube minus 2x cube poirom. Plus x square. Here minus of minus. So it is 2x square, isn't it? But here we have minus 2x square and minus 2x square also. So plus x square. Here plus x square. So 2x square. Okay. First let's change the sign. Here it is minus 2x square. If I multiply the minus inside, minus 2x square ahum. Here plus x square. Here minus 2x square. Here plus x. And here minus 2x. And it is plus 1. So remaining terms. Inga minus 2x, inga plus 2x. Inga plus x, inga minus x. Adum cancel idom. X square term only will remain. So minus 2x square minus 2x square minus 4x square. Here plus x square plus x square. So plus 2x square. So plus 2x square or minus 2x square cancel idom. We have minus 2x square. And then plus 1 that is plus 2 divided by x square minus x plus 1 the whole square. If I take minus outside or minus 2 outside, I have x square minus 1 divided by x square minus x plus 1 the whole square. Differentiate the following. First one, x sin x. Here it is the product of two functions. X is also a function. Similarly, sin x is also a function. So, uv method. Okay, so d by dx of uv, product of functions, is equal to u into v dash plus v into u dash. U into v dash plus v into u dash. We can do it directly. So, d by dx of x sin x is equal to, first u appdi irukano, that is x into d by dx of sin x plus, we have to keep v. V is sin x into d by dx of x. So, x into, what is the differentiation of sin x? Sin x is cos x plus sin x into 1. That is x cos x plus sin x. That is the differentiation of x sin x. Third one, e power x into x log x. Here also it is the product of two functions. E power x is one function, that is our u, and x plus log x is another function, that is our v. Product of functions. So d by dx of e power x into x plus log x is equal to x into, that is u into v dash. That is, what is our u? E power x is our u. So e power x into d by dx of x plus log x. Okay. Similarly, plus v into u dash, or v is x plus log x into d by dx of e power x. So, e power x into differentiation of x plus log x. First, differentiation of x. Differentiation of x is 1 plus differentiation of log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Here plus x plus log x and differentiation of e power x, that is e power x. Okay. So we can take e power x as common. So inside 1 plus 1 by x plus log x. That is the differentiation. Differentiate the following with respect to x. First one is sine square x. We don't have the formula for sine square x, cos cube x, such on. Okay, so here we have to differentiate this using chain rule. What is chain rule? If we have function inside function, then we'll use chain rule to differentiate it. So first, now y is equal to sine square x is our function. I take u is equal to sine x. U is equal to sine x. Okay, so if u is equal to sine x, y will become u square because it is sine square, isn't it? Y will become u square. So, to find dy by dx, first let's differentiate this y with respect to u. So, dy by dx, I am going to introduce u in this. How? dy by du into du by dx. Differentiating y with respect to u and differentiating u with respect to x will gives you dy by dx. So, dy by du into du by dx, and this is equal to dy by dx. So, if we don't have direct formula, then we will use this method. So, first I have to find dy by du. dy by du. What is our y? Y is u square. That is d by du of u square. What is the differentiation of u square? Differentiation of x square is 2x. So, differentiation of u square is 2u. So, next we have to find du by dx. So, du by dx. What is our u? Our u is sin x. So, d by dx of sin x. What is the differentiation of sin x? Sin x is cos x. So, now we can find dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. That is equal to dy by du is 2u into du by dx is cos x. So, 2u into cos x, that is 2 into, what is our u? Sin x. 2 sin x into cos x. That is the differentiation. So, differentiation of sin square x is 2 sin x cos x. We can do this directly also. This is the chain rule method. If we want to solve this directly, y is equal to sin square x dy by dx, that is 2, okay, sin square x. If it is x square, I will tell the differentiation is 2x, isn't it? So, for sin square x, it is 2 sin x. Then, what is the differentiation of sin x? It is cos x. So, 2 sin x cos x, you can write it directly also, but this method you should know. For easy questions, you can do it directly. but not all the problems you can solve. You can differentiate with direct method. So you should know the chain rule. Fourth one, square root of 1 plus x square. So this is also a square root function. We have inside, we have another function also. So y is equal to square root of 1 plus x square. Let u is equal to 1 plus x square. That implies y is equal to square root of u. Now we are going to find, to calculate dy by dx, we should calculate first dy by du into du by dx. So dy by du is equal to d by du of square root of u. Here we have to differentiate with respect to the variable which is on the right. u na inga u kila varum. If you have x on the right hand side, then you can differentiate it with du by dx. Okay. All the other variables will considered as constant. Inga u irundhuduna u da differentiate panna mudiyum. Y irundhuduna will consider it as a constant. Okay. So d by du of square root of u. What is the square root differentiation? It is one by 2 square root of u. That is the differentiation of square root. Square root of x or differentiation 1 by 2 square root of x. But here we have u, so it is 1 by 2 into square root of u. Now we have to find du by dx. That is d by dx of u. What is our u? 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. First we have to differentiate 1 with respect to x. It is a constant, so it is 0. Plus, what is the differentiation of x square? It is 2x. Okay. So, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. dy by du is 1 divided by 2 root of u into du by dx, that is 2x. 2 and 2 will get cancelled, that is x divided by square root of, what is our u? 1 plus x square. So, x divided by 1 plus x square is the differentiation of square root of 1 plus x square. If I solve this with direct method, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of square root of 1 plus x square. So, what is the square root differentiation of square root? 1 divided by 2 into square root of 1 plus x square. Okay. Now, we have to differentiate the function which is inside the square. 1 plus x square. 1 order differentiation 0. X square order differentiation 2x. So, 2 and 2 will get cancelled and you get x divided by square root of 1 plus x square. Even in direct method, you will get the same differentiation. So, 7th one, 1 divided by square root of 1 plus x square. We have to differentiate this. So, y is equal to 1 divided by square root of 1 plus x square. Let u is equal to 1 plus x square. That implies y is equal to 1 divided by square root of u. What we have to find? Dy by du into du by dx. Okay, first dy by du, that is d by du of 1 divided by square root of u, that is equal to d by du of u power minus 1 by 2. How? Square root. If square root means its power is 1 by 2. So, while coming to the numerator, it is u power minus 1 by 2. So, minus 1 by 2 into u power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 u power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. While taking 2 as LCM, it will be minus 1 minus 2. That is equal to minus 1 by 2 u power minus 3 divided by 2. Okay. Now, we have to find du by dx. So, d by dx of, what is our u? 1 plus x square. That is equal to, While differentiating 1, it will become 0. While differentiating x square, it will become 2x. So, differentiation of du by dx is 2x. So, dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. dy by du is minus 1 divided by 2 into u power 3 by 2. I am bringing this down to the denominator. So, minus 1 divided by 2 u in power 3 by 2 into 2x. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So, it is minus x divided by, what is our u? U is 1 plus x square. So, 1 plus x square the whole power 3 by 2. 3 by 2. How can we write this? Minus x divided by 1 plus x square power 1 by 2 the whole cube. எழுதலாமா? 3 by 2 1 by 2 into 3 னு எழுதலாம். 1 by 2 into 3. So, it is minus x divided by square root of 1 plus x square the whole cube. So, it is minus x divided by, for 2 times, square root of 1 plus x square into square root of 1 plus x square into square root of 1 plus x square. That is the meaning, isn't it? So, while multiplying this 2, I get minus x divided by 1 plus x square. While multiplying this 2, I get 1 plus x square into square root of 1 plus x square is the differentiation of 1 divided by square root of 1 plus x square.